Have you ever wished to bring sweetness and love into your relationship naturally? Today, I'm going to reveal an ancient and powerful method using honey and sacred mantras that has been practiced in India for centuries. Stay with me because this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to perform this ritual safely and effectively. Section 1. Materials needed. Before we begin, you'll need a few simple items. All of these are easy to find and are part of traditional Indian practices. 1. A small glass bottle of honey. Pure natural honey works best. 2. A clean spoon or stick to handle the honey. 3. A quiet, clean space where you won't be disturbed. Quiet, clean space, undisturbed. A printed or written copy of the mantra. This is very important. These items are easily available in India, and you can source them from your local store or online if needed. Section 2. Preparation. Now, prepare yourself mentally and spiritually. Take a few deep breaths. Focus on your intention to bring love and harmony into your relationship and clear your mind of distractions. This is a crucial step. Your positive energy will amplify the effect of the ritual. Section 3. The mantra. The mantra we will use is called the Honey Vashikaran Mantra. Reciting this mantra with sincerity and devotion is said to enhance attraction and sweetness in your partner's mind. Here is the mantra. Recite slowly and clearly. Om Madhu Sūkta Nama. Repeat this mantra 21 times, focusing on the love and positive feelings you want to manifest. Section 4. Performing the ritual. Follow these steps carefully. 1. Take the glass bottle of honey in your hands. Hold it close to your heart and visualize the love and sweetness flowing into your relationship. Slowly recite the mantra 21 times while touching the honey with your finger or spoon. After completing the mantra, you can place the honey bottle in a safe place and occasionally touch it while thinking of your intention. This ritual can be performed daily for 7 days to strengthen the effect. Remember, consistency and sincere intention are key. Section 5. Important tips. Always use pure, natural honey. Avoid artificial sweeteners. Perform the ritual in a quiet and calm environment. Do not force the results. This is about enhancing positive energy and attraction. Respect the sacredness of the practice. It is a traditional Indian spiritual method, not just a magic trick. If you perform this ritual with love and devotion, it is said to bring sweetness and harmony into your relationship naturally. Try it and let the power of this ancient method work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ancient wisdom and spiritual tips. Stay tuned for more powerful rituals from India, explained step by step, so you can safely use them at home.